Ever worried about accidentally backing up sensitive photos from your iPhone to iCloud? Today, we're diving into how to take control of your photo privacy and ensure only what you want ends up in the cloud. First, let's address the big one, iCloud photos. If you want to prevent any photos from iCloud backup, you'll need to turn this off entirely. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then select iCloud Tap Photos, and toggle off iCloud Photos. Be aware, this means your entire library won't sync across devices, and you'll need to manage backups manually. But what if you still want most photos in iCloud, just not a select few? For those specific photos, your best bet is to hide them. Open the photo you want to secure, tap the share icon, that little box with an arrow shooting out, and then tap Hide. This moves the photo to a hidden album, and critically, it won't be visible in your main library or shared albums. You can find all your hidden photos in the Albums tab. Under Utilities, they're still technically backed up if iCloud Photos is on, but they won't be discoverable in your everyday view, offering a good first layer of privacy. For more granular control, consider using third-party apps. Many apps specialize in secure photo management, where you can import photos, password protect them, and then selectively choose whether or not to sync those specific folders to cloud services. Search the App Store for terms like Photo Vault or Private Photo Album to explore your options. By understanding these options, you can confidently manage your iPhone photos and keep your private memories precisely that private. Stay safe and private out there.